Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve File Explorer navigation pane missing and Windows 10 computer. A missing navigation pane and Windows 10 File Explorer is often caused by a temporary glitch or a settings that was accidentally turned off. And the simplest and most common solutions is to re-enable it from the view settings with File Explorer. And then I'll show you solutions to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to enable navigation pane in view settings. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then here you need to type this File Explorer. And then you need to click open. And once you open up here at File Explorer, then you need to tap or click this View tab. And then once you open up here at View tab, and then here at left side corner, you can see this navigation pane and then click. And then here you need to check this navigation pane. So if you see this unchecked, so for example, it's unchecked, then click again this View tab, click this navigation pane, and then you need to check this navigation pane here to fix this error. Alright, so you can see now it's already checked. Okay, so after here at File Explorer, and then we need to close, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to clear the File Explorer history. So all you have to do is to open up again this File Explorer, and once you open up here, then we need to press this keyboard shortcut Alt plus F plus O. So press this keyboard shortcut Alt plus F plus O to open this folder option settings if you're using Windows 10 computer. Alright, the next step here at General tab, and then under here or underneath here at Privacy, then you can see this Clear File Explorer History, and next you can see now this Clear button here. Then you need to tap this Clear button, and then you need to click this OK. Alright, then we need to close here, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to restart the Windows Explorer process. So to open this task manager, you can use this keyboard shortcut. Press this keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open. Otherwise, you can use on a taskbar. So all you have to do is to right click on a taskbar and then select this task manager. And once you open up here at task manager and here at processes tab, and then you need to locate this Windows Explorer. So all you have to do is to select and then right click, and then you need to click this restart. And then after restart, and then we need to close, and then we need to restart this PC by clicking this power button here at left side corner. So click this restart. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.